Welcome to New Orleans Way of Life. Thank you for joining me today for the 100 beaded bracelet challenge. This is number 3, and today it's a double bracelet for a couple of 8-year-old young ladies, and they're twins. And the difference between the two bracelets will be the color of the findings. One will be in silver and one will be in gold. And we always start with the bead with the hole where we can hide the knot for a stretch bracelet. One of the things that I recommend when it comes to children's bracelets is the fact that you don't want to make it from something that isn't easy to break, in case they should get snagged on something. Okay? Because that's why I don't make children's bracelets with wire. If you're gonna make anything with a jute or leather cord, anything like that, I recommend using a slip knot or a really or maybe a toggle fastener, but never a wire with a lobster clasp. It's too easy for a child get snagged on and get caught in a situation. So with the and I only use single thickness on the stretch cord for a bracelet for children. And I had the pleasure of attending a parade with these young ladies and their mother and sister, older sister, and I asked them what their favorite colors were. Guess what? They said purple. That one all strong. So that's what it's going to look like. And that's not it. And we got a bunch of things happening here in New Orleans come April and May. Bunch of festivals. Jazz Fest is coming. The Jazz Heritage Festival. I'm gonna try to score a ticket to go to that. I'm concerned though because the grounds, it's at the old fairgrounds, and it's going to be on dirt surface, and I'll be in a wheelchair. If y'all don't know that, I am confined to a wheelchair. So, and it's not a motorized one, unfortunately. But just the same. So I am concerned about that. Because the Jazz Fest is notorious that rain can happen. And so I'm worried that the grounds will be too sloppy for me to be able to move around on. So I may not be able to even attend. So we'll see what happens. I'm not going to give up right away. I'm going to try to score a ticket for myself to go to it. I think I'll try to see if I can get a pass for the particular day that Ludacris is going to be there. It may be called the Jazz Heritage Festival, but the artists that attend are from all genres of music. You have the traditional jazz, you have blues, soul, R&B, Zydeco, Cajun, rap, rock. Matter of fact, one of the days, this jazz festival, the Who, of all people, the Who are going to be performing. Now, if that doesn't take you back, that's something else. So, but that's not the day that I'm going to be going. I want to see Ludacris. I've been a fan of his for quite a while. So, but there's a whole bunch of other artists I want to see on that day. I mean, it was particularly filled with people that I want to see, or performers that I want to see. So we'll see if I can attend it. I'd like to, that's for sure. But we also have Gem and Bead show coming up. We have French Quarter Fest. Greek Festival. Po' Boy Festival will be coming up later in the year. So there's a lot of stuff that's going to be happening. Thankfully, some of the, we're starting to see more of the fests happening this year, because after the last couple of years, it's, you know, they haven't had, a lot of the fests have not been being put on. So, but I'm happy to see. It looks like we're going to have a orchid show also come the first weekend in June, and I plan on being there for that. I just love orchids. All right. Uh-oh. See? Wanted to run off. There you go. Pair of bracelets for a set of twins. All right. Thank you for joining me today. And stay tuned for Lane. If you like our videos, hit the like button. And if you want to see future videos, hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and welcome to New Orleans Way of Life.